Hey guys, welcome back. And I have picked up two new fragrances from my local Marshalls, and I've actually never seen these before. So it is from the house of English Laundry. It is Midnight Gold, and the other one is from Zareen, and then it is called Sedine Spice. Now, I'm not sure if you guys ever seen those before. I've never seen those myself, so this is gonna be my first time testing them. I did try them out at the store, but I never give them an actual wear. So I'm gonna let you guys know what I think about these and pretty much if they're good to go or not. All right guys, first off we have from English Laundry, it is Midnight Gold. Now I could not find any information about this one on Fragrantica, so I did look up on the English Laundry website and I got the notes for you. Let me read those off to you really quickly just so we can get through that part. And it is top note, it is bergamot, fresh peppermint, mandarin, black pepper. Middle note is lavender, sage, rosemary, patchouli. Base note is cedarwood, sandalwood, and musk. Now, as far as the projection, longevity, I won't be able to tell you much about this. The only thing I can tell you is that I have a couple other English Laundry fragrances, and I can tell you with those, they're not really the best performers. So if you're looking for something that is a performance beast, English Laundry is not really the house for that. These are the eau de toilette concentrations. So when you spray them on, you will get a nice blast, a nice scent bubble around you at the beginning, probably for the first hour or so. After that, it's going to draw down to probably about an hour and a half. It becomes more of a skin scent to me as far as like how they work on my skin. So let's check out the atomizer first and see how does that perform. Okay, so not the greatest of atomizers, but it does put out the juice when it needs to. But I would say as far as the atomizer, it's not really the greatest. As far as in the air, this is a very beautiful, sweet fragrance. Now, it is not a dupe of this fragrance, but it does remind me a bit of Paco Rabanne's 1 Million. Now, as far as that bubblegum sweetness with a little bit of spice, that's what I'm getting out of this. Now, it is not at all Paco Rabanne 1 Million. I don't think it's inspired by it. It just has a little bit of that bubblegum sweetness with the spice that Paco Rabanne 1 Million has. Is not as strong or as bubblegummy. It's more just, it has that nuance to it. Now, I'm not sure what this fragrance at all is supposed to be, if it's even mimicking anything, because I know most English Laundry fragrances do have a fragrance they smell a little bit like. They're never a one-to-one dupe of any fragrance. So, but as far as this one, I'm not sure what this one is close to. The closest thing I'm getting out of it is the Paco Rabanne 1 Million. It could be what they were trying to emulate a little bit and do their own take on it. It could be that, but it does smell very, very nice. It's a nice, sweet fragrance with a little bit of spice to it. You do get that citrus, very slight amount of peppermint, but it is there. It is a little bit musky. Now, the woods in there are very well blended. The woods are not prominent woods. They're just more as a supporting role to the fragrances. It just kind of adds a little bit of depth to the fragrance. Now, for the price I paid for this, well, the price they normally go for, they're usually $16.99. I didn't pay that for it because it was on red sticker, but for $16.99, this is an absolutely great fragrance, and I would definitely, if I was you, try it out. The best part about it, these are in the unboxed section, so you can spray them, try them out and everything, and see if you like them. Let me just try it on skin real quick. Okay, I'm gonna do 3 sprays because atomizer is not really the greatest. Now on skin, the peppermint is a little bit more pronounced. It reminds me a little bit of another fragrance I have that you probably have not smelled, which is Hugo Boss, Hugo's Superman X Hugo. So it does have a little bit of that peppermint, that same type of peppermint vibe to it, but it's not really a screechy type peppermint. It's more the peppermint, it's almost like if you have a smooth peppermint with a little bit of a C note kind of thing, like a little bit of that sea salt. That's what I'm getting out of this one. So the bubblegum sweetness is not as strong on skin, at least from this close. In the air, you do get it, but yeah, as far as for that, I would definitely say if you do like fragrances like Paco Rabanne, like Paco Rabanne-ish type fragrances and all that, sweet fragrances, try this one out. The Sunbox, you can try it. If you don't like it, put it back down. If you do like it, pick it up. I don't think you'll be disappointed with that. If you ever tried it or you have it, let me know what you think about it. Let me know about the projection longevity. I'd love to learn more about this fragrance. And guys, definitely try this one out. You won't be disappointed.